Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best blender smoothie maker with a high-speed, powerful motor. An absolute game changer in the kitchen. The PSIIDAN 2-in-1 blender and grinder combo. Let's start by talking power. This blender is built with an impressive 1800-watt motor, which means it can crush ice, blitz through frozen fruits, and handle tough ingredients without flinching. It's not your average kitchen gadget. It's a professional-grade machine that brings commercial-level performance right to your countertop. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, sauces, or protein shakes, it delivers silky textures in seconds. Now, what makes it even more versatile is its dual container system. The main blending pitcher has a whopping 68-ounce capacity, making it perfect for serving 6 to 8 people at once. This blender has you covered. Then there's the 20-ounce grinder cup, designed specifically for dry ingredients, so think coffee beans, nuts, or spices. You can blend and grind without needing separate appliances, saving space and simplifying your routine. And here's something we really appreciate: the 2-in-1 design. It replaces the need for both a bulky blender and a separate grinder, which not only clears up precious kitchen real estate but also reduces the clutter of cords and parts. One base, two functions, it's efficiency at its finest. Cleaning is typically a chore with appliances like this, but PSIIDAN makes it easier. Both the mixing cup and grinding cup are self-cleaning, and the mixing cup is even dishwasher safe. Just a heads up though, the grinding cup is not dishwasher safe and should be kept dry at the bottom to maintain its longevity. So, a quick rinse and wipe will do the trick there. Let's take a moment to talk about control. The Smart Control Hub gives you full command over your blending. You can adjust speed settings, set timers from 1 to 5 minutes, or use the pulse function, all with one hand. Whether you like your smoothies super smooth or a little chunky, you can dial in exactly what you want. The anti-slip base keeps it steady, and it also comes with an overheat protection feature. If you ever fill the container too much or run it too long, it'll automatically shut off to prevent damage. Just reset it and let it cool down before restarting. In terms of build, it's made from BPA-free polycarbonate, so you get durability without compromising on health or safety. The sleek silver finish gives it a modern touch that fits in beautifully with most kitchen styles. Anyone who values performance, versatility, and convenience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a home chef, or a busy parent trying to prep quick meals, this blender delivers. From crushing ice to grinding spices, from morning smoothies to evening soups, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. That wraps up our deep dive into the PSIIDAN 2-in-1 blender and grinder combo. It's a powerhouse, a space saver, and a multitasker all in one. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more in-depth reviews of top-performing products. See you next time.